This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn cat anatomy. To begin, focus on understanding the major systems before diving into minute details. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic framework, then gradually add layers of complexity. This foundational approach ensures a comprehensive grasp of feline biology. Remember, consistent study and visual aids are key to mastering this fascinating subject. Delving into the skeletal system, identify the major bones like the skull, vertebrae, and limb bones. Then, move to the muscular system, learning how muscles like the biceps and triceps work in conjunction with the skeleton. Use diagrams and models to visualize these structures. Understanding their interplay is crucial for comprehending feline movement and agility. Next, explore the cat's internal organ systems. Begin with the digestive system, tracing food's journey. Then, study the respiratory system, focusing on the lungs and airways, and the circulatory system, including the heart and blood vessels. Understand the functions of the urinary and reproductive organs. Finally, grasp how the nervous system coordinates all these vital processes. Finally, consider the cat's remarkable sensory organs, such as their excellent night vision and acute hearing. Learn about the role of whiskers and their strong sense of smell. For effective study, use detailed anatomical charts, three-dimensional models, and reputable online resources. Observing live cats can also provide valuable insights into how their anatomy supports their behavior. Good luck with your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.